Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI doll or action figure using ChatGPT. It's a fun and creative way to turn yourself or anyone else into a collectible style figure. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using ChatGPT with image generation capabilities. That's the GPT-4o model. Once you're in, upload a clear, full-body photo of yourself. The clearer the image, the more accurate your doll will look. Next, you'll need to craft a detailed prompt. This is where the magic happens. For example, you can type something like, "Create an action figure of the person in this photo displayed in a classic blister pack. Include accessories like a laptop, headphones, and a coffee cup. Design the packaging with neon blue and purple colors." You can personalize it even more by adding your favorite clothing styles, your hobbies, or special accessories that represent your personality. The more details you give, the more realistic and unique your AI doll will look. After that, submit your prompt and let the AI do its thing. Once the image is generated, review it, and if needed, ask ChatGPT to make adjustments, like changing the pose, adding new items, or refining the colors of the packaging. Keep refining until you get a result you love. You can then download the final image and share it on social media, print it, or even use it as inspiration to make a real custom 3D printed figure later on. And that's it. You've just made your own AI doll with ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI creation tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of doll or action figure you made. See you in the next one.